When a Toyota hybrid vehicle stops, all units cease operation and there is no wasteful consumption of energy. When starting to drive, a compact, lightweight, high-performance motor is used for smooth, quiet propulsion. During low-load driving, the motor is operated via appropriate control of battery power by the power control unit, thus achieving superior fuel efficiency. Motor drive is further augmented by engine power for smooth acceleration. Featuring a dynamic force engine. The combination of VVT-IE for lightning-fast changes in valve timing and high-speed combustion technology produces a quiet startup and more output, all the time giving fantastic improvements in fuel efficiency. During engine startup, this technology momentarily boosts battery output for a seamless melding of motor and engine drive, creating controllable acceleration for perfect handling. For normal driving, a power split device divides engine power between driving and power generation by the generator. This innovative hybrid system makes EV driving possible at a wider range of speeds, allowing the engine to be stopped even at high speed. The result is even better fuel efficiency and quieter driving. When decelerating, the vehicle's wheels turn the motor and the generated power is collected in the battery for reuse. Toyota hybrid vehicles operate by combining motor drive and engine drive within an efficient revolution range. The engine is stopped whenever possible. What's more, energy that used to be wasted is now reused to achieve peerless fuel efficiency. Outstanding environmental performance and highly responsive handling. The innovative Toyota hybrid system flawlessly combines these two elements.